Today we are going to learn about English grammar. What does sentence? Okay, let us start the lesson. Please listen, children.
What is a sentence? A group of words which make complete sense and express our thoughts is a sentence. Okay, children, let us listen. A group of words which make complete sense. When we speak to someone, we speak in complete sentence. When we speak to someone, we speak in complete sentence. That is called a sentence. While writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, while writing a sentence, we begin with a capital letter. For example, the peacock is a beautiful bird. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Sanya is a good at drawing. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Sanya is good at drawing. Exercise 1. Here are a group of words. Let's tick the ones that are sentence and cross out those that are not. There are many books in the library. Tick. Ben has a pet dog. Tick. And the sentence is not complete, so we will put wrong. Danny is my best friend. True. It's sharp. Wrong. Types of sentence. The two main types of sentence are statements, questions. A. Statement. B. Questions. What is mean by statements? When a sentence tells us something, it is called a statement. A statement always ends with a full stop. A statement always ends with a full stop. For example, Tony goes to the beach every Sunday. Tony goes to the beach every Sunday. The girl is reading a book. Tony goes to the beach every Sunday. The girl is reading a book. The next one, what is mean by questions? When a sentence asks something, it is called a question. A question always ends with a question mark. A question always ends with a question mark. For example, which school do you go to? Are we going to the beach today? Are we going to the beach today? So, which school do you go to? Are we going to the beach today? Exercise 2. Let us punctuate the given sentence. It is a statement. It ends with a full stop. And if it is a question, it ends with a question mark. The pizza is very tasty. Where is Sam going? Sentence. There are 4 types: declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. What are they? Declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. Okay, let's we see some example. The first one, a declarative sentence makes a statement or gives information. It ends with a full stop. Declarative sentence. There is a chemical factory nearby. Declarative sentence. There is a chemical factory nearby. The next one, an imperative sentence gives a command, makes a request or a voice. It mostly ends with a full stop and sometimes an exclamation mark. For example, imperative sentence. Ask the children to get ready for a test. Ask the children to get ready for a test. Next one, the subject in a imperative sentence is always in the second person. It is limp and often not spoken. The subject is an imperative sentence. It is always in the second person. Imperative sentence, for example, do not go there. You do not go there. Okay. Imperative sentence, you do not go there. Okay, let us see the another. An interrogative sentence as a question, it ends with a question mark. An interrogative sentence as a question, it ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence. For example, have you read the newspaper? You will ask someone, have you read the newspaper? An exclamatory sentence expresses happiness, anger, fear, disgust, and shock. It ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence. What an impossible task that is. For example, what an impossible task that is. Children, have you understood these grammar? What is a sentence? Okay, we will see the next class. Thank you for your listening, kids.